Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujit here from Benzene, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how to effectively create or manage blockers and dependencies in Jira. So let's start. All right. Dependencies and blockers are usually created when teams are grooming their backlog for the future sprints. So the first step in creating a dependency or blocker is to create a ticket itself. So let's go ahead and create a sample dependency. If you have an issue type specifically which is called as dependency, you might as well use it. Or another way is to simply create a task. Let's go ahead and create a task as a dependency one. The first way to link or to create a dependency within a story is while you're creating a task itself. You will get an option called as linked issues where you can mention, where you have a lot of options, right? You will have to select the blocks option and then select the story which it is blocking. For example, let's take LD16 story and create this issue. All right. Once the dependency task, which we created right now, is created, you can go to the appropriate story and see that it is already created as a dependency, which is mentioned within the story. Here you can see that this story is blocked by LD125, which is dependency one, which we just created. The second way to link a dependency or a blocker, if you already have created a ticket in your backlog, is go to your story directly to the detail view. And in that detail section, you will find the link issue button and the same dropdown which you got while you were creating a ticket will be available here. Select is blocked by and then search for the ticket which you have created or which is already in your backlog and then link it. So these are the two ways where you can effectively create and manage or even track dependencies and blockers in stories in Jira. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope it helped.